Good morning, YouTube. I think it's day 26. It's actually not a very nice day. We did get the rain last night. The temperature dropped. It's like 44 degrees. Kind of windy. But that is not going to stop us and our goal today. My wife noticed yesterday that the chickens have no grass in their run and are quite bored. So I thought it'd be a nice morning to load up a few bales of hay, take them up to the chickens' run, open them up, and let them have at it. I'll do my best to keep the camera dry, but it might be a challenge. See, they love that little storm door that I set up there. It allows them to come out of the coop, hang out here, but not be in the rain. You see how they're all gathered there. I don't know why none of the grass came back in this year, or maybe they're just eating it as fast as it comes up, but they need something to do. We're going to be spreading hay. I could go buy straw and spread it, but I prefer hay because straw is too clean. There's nothing for them to pick through and enjoy. Hay is full of stuff like this that they love. So I put this out, also it's got good color. Spread this out and they'll spend a week or more just kicking through it, finding those little things, and busy chickens are happier chickens. There have been times where I have brought an entire round bale here, put it out, opened it up, and in 6 months it's gone. So chickens can do a lot of work when you give them something to do. Let's spread the hay and make them happy. Hey, you're getting impatient. Wait for it. Of course, they're just as happy if you don't spread it, and they get to spread it. Don't attack, please. Both these roosters have attacked on occasion. This is a perfect little farm knife. Lightweight, easy to use, great to carry. You see how much just basic stuff there is in this bale. Clover seeds, weed seeds. That's what they like so much. Clean straw just doesn't have that same appeal. I think that'll entertain them. When this rain and wind quits, they're going to come out and have a ball. Before I go, I want to thank the Homestead Aquarius channel for the shout out. I'll return the favor. That is a great gardening channel with one of the best voices you'll hear on YouTube. Again, that's Homestead Aquarius. Check that out. I'll put a link in the description box below. I am going to get out of the rain, let these girls have their fun, and we'll see you tomorrow.